Okay, number 7 to 10, solve the equation by taking square roots. So we're going to set these equal. You're going to have, there's no bx term in these, okay? So these right here, we'll have ax squared, no bx, plus c equals 0, right? So we want to move everything to the right and get the square root. So in this problem here, we're going to move the 1 to the right. Minus 1, minus 1. You would get negative 4a squared equals negative 20. Then you're going to divide by negative 4. You'll get a squared equals 5. And then you'll take the square root, right? And remember, you can't get the square root of 5, so a is going to equal to the positive or negative square root of 5. And this root would be irrational, wouldn't it? This problem here, we're going to move the 3 over, then divide by 4, aren't we? So we're going to subtract 3. You would get 4v squared equals 36. Divide by 4. You would get v squared equals 9. Take the square roots, and v would equal to a positive or negative 3. Remember, you're finding the two places this line crosses the x-axis. You'll have two roots. Right here, we're going to move over the 2 and divide by 9, aren't we? So we'll subtract 2. We'll get 9x squared equals 1. We'll divide by 9. We'll get x squared equals 1 over 9. Take the square root. So x would equal to the positive or negative. The square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 9 is 3 in it. So this would cross the x-axis at positive 1/3 and negative 1/3. Right here, we're going to move the 2 across. Subtract 2. You'll get 4n squared equals 48. Divide by 4, divide by 4. We'll get n squared equals 12. Take the square root, take the square root. N would end up being, and remember our perfect squares are 1, 4, 9, 16. 4 goes into 12, doesn't it? So I'm going to make 12 4 times 3. The square root of 4 is 2, and the 3 stays put, doesn't it? And this will be a positive or negative 2 square root of 3. Make sure you rationalize your square roots like this.